Well, the effective ingredients that my organization, LISC, Local Initiative Support Corporation, looks for is really the ability to build a community from the inside out. And what I mean by that is a lot of communities have need, but the trick is finding the strengths and the assets and really helping those grow. And how do we do that? Well, we look at local people, local organizations, local leaders, and also physical assets. And we try to find those places where there's a lot of potential, and just by investing in it, we can help that grow. We try to do that in a strategic way, trying to find those places that have the biggest outcome, and also a way that really will stimulate its own revitalization, so that our dollar goes in, but we bring 10 other dollars to the table. And finally, to make sure that it's sustainable, that there's people there over the long term, there's money there over the long term, so whatever development we do today is going to be there tomorrow and for the long term. So I'd say those are the ingredients. 1, work from the inside out. 2, be strategic. And 3, make sure whatever you do is sustainable. One example of being effective is the strategy we use in Hartford. When we started many years back, we would do one house on a block, and we would just delight in that house, but we'd move on, and over time you really couldn't tell the difference between that house and on any other block. And so we learned that really by targeting an area and going back over time, we were creating better scale and having a greater impact. And then beyond that, more people were excited about it and were bringing their own money to invest. So Mortson Street is an example where we brought some of our own dollars, but with that came city dollars, state dollars, foundation dollars, and the homeowners themselves. And that's really the trick, when you get the banks and the homeowners and the local companies to invest, not just the public sector all the time.